surrounding area. Up on the little hill, we can see a platform that you can walk up to. It just takes 10 minutes to get there, and it certainly will give you a grand view of the surrounding area. The grand view was named by the famous Alaska Nellie. She was a pioneer woman back in the early days of Alaska, and she was the first woman to own a contract with the Alaska Railroad. Now, the story of Alaska Nellie actually got started back in 1920 during a very harsh blizzard. She was waiting for her mail carrier to deliver her mail that day, but then he never came. So she went out by herself, found him, brought him back to her roadhouse, thawed him out along with his dogs, and when she saw that he was okay, she went out by herself to deliver the rest of the mail. Now, for her heroic act, she got a gold necklace, and she became so famous after that people down in the lower 48 would want to write her letters, but they didn't know where she lived because she did not have a set address. So instead, they simply wrote Nellie, Alaska, and those letters made their way to her. She became so famous that when President Warren G. Harding came to Alaska in 1923, he visited her at her roadhouse, and he was very impressed by her taxidermy collection. Another cool fact about Alaska Nellie was that she owned a pet black bear named Mike. But unfortunately, Mike wandered off by himself one day, and he was killed by a brown bear. So Alaska Nellie went after that brown bear and added him to her taxidermy collection.